Why does your scanner show the P0856 engine code? What does it mean? P0856 is a diagnostic trouble code for traction control input signal. This engine code indicates that the PCM, or the Electronic Brake Control Module, EBCM, has detected a fault in the circuit that sends signals related to the traction control system. This system helps maintain vehicle stability during acceleration or slippery conditions. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty wiring and connections, traction control switch issues, EBCM or PCM failure, other potential issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevrolet Equinox, Chevy Silverado, GMC Kodiaq, C5500, and others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.